Hello? Ten's Mechanic. This is Georgette. Hello?
Hello. Hi, this is Pam Yoder. May I speak with Mr. George Thompson, please?
Ma'am, I've just got to warn you. We've been having a lot of trouble with static on our phones, so if I lose you, just give me a call back, okay?
Okay.
So, who were you looking for again?
George Thompson?
George?
Yes.
Okay, hold on. George! Hey, George! You got a line? Call on line 1.
Huh?
Line 1.
What?
You have a call on line 1. George.
George is in the back.
Huh?
George is not up here. He's in the back in the can.
Is he still having trouble with that? I told him to see a doctor.
Yeah, he sure has been back there a while.
Yeah. Hello? You still there?
Yes.
He's not here. We think he's back in the bathroom, but I'm not sure. Can you call back later?
Are you kidding me? Can I leave a message?
Well, you can, but George usually loses the messages I give him. Can you just call back?
You know what? Never mind.
You know, it may be time to invest in a new phone system. Even if you only have 2 phone lines, your workflow can be dramatically increased with the latest technology.
Let's face it, customer satisfaction and business reputation and image are at the forefront of good business practices today. You only get one chance to make a good first impression. If you invest even a little in your customers and their satisfaction with your business or office, you produce a great working relationship with your customers. You've worked hard to build a great reputation for your business. Keep your customers happy and let a new phone system work harder for your company's workflow so your employees can work smarter.
Technology Contracting is a full-service commercial office, phone system, computer, datacom, and network installer and integrator. We have implemented state-of-the-art phone systems at medical offices, churches, government-funded agencies, and many more small to large business offices. Call us today, and remember, our initial consultation is free.